Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 6 of paper 2-1 October-November exam series of 2021. The topic of this question is current electricity. The question says a circuit contains a battery of electromotive force EMF 4.5 volts, a 20 ohms resistor. So we have an EMF source where more than one cells are connected and a 28 ohms resistor, and a variable resistor whose resistor could be varied. Figure 6.1 is the circuit diagram. The battery consists of three identical cells in series. Determine the EMF of each cell. So it means that there should be at least three cells and each of them should be of 1.5 volts. That is why the total EMF is 4.5 volts. So 4.5 divided by 3 is 1.5 volts. This is the EMF of each individual cell. The next part says the potential difference across the variable resistor is 2.5 volts. State what is meant by the potential difference. So potential difference could be defined as the energy transferred when charge passes through a component. So we also have to write the formula. The formula for finding the potential difference could be work done upon charge or energy upon charge. So this would be sufficient for a 2-mark question. Now the next part says calculate the resistance of the variable resistor. Now we know that the potential difference across the variable resistor is 2.5 volts. So using this we can find out the resistance value. First we find the voltage across fixed resistor. So it would be 4.5 minus 2.5. It would have a voltage of 2.0 volts across it. So the current through the fixed resistor would be 2.0 divided by the value of its resistance, and it is given to us as 28. So the current is 0.07 amperes. Now the resistance of the variable resistor would be its voltage divided by the value of current. So the voltage is 2.5 and the value of current is 0.07. So the answer comes out to be 35 ohms. So the answer for this part is 35 ohms. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.